guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing a new phone theme, and this is a free phone theme and a free wallpaper. And I hope you guys like this. If you guys do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started. Alright guys, so this is the theme and that is the creator. This is a free phone theme and it's so cute. So here it is. It is a light blue phone theme. It's really simple, but I love how simple it is because sometimes I want to add like other wallpapers and they're kind of busy, so I feel like a simpler phone theme kind of balances it out. Thing is light blue colored, like I said. It even matches my Google up at the top. The icons are also a blue color. It's just very clean, minimal, and simple. Now I'm going to click on the calculator. The calculator is just hints of blue with a white background, and then we're going to look at the calendar. Very simple as well, just white with the pops of blue again. And now for the phone. So the phone is also simple, just pops of blue. And then this is how the messaging looks like. So the messaging is also very just minimal, very simple, but really cute with the pops of blue. And then here are the rest of the icons and then my folders, just really coordinated with the theme. So here is the image that I'll be using for my lock screen. So as you guys can see, it's cinema roll. I love cinema roll, and I feel like the pops of blue definitely go with the phone theme. And then I love how they're at the top, there's just like a little square for the time and stuff. So that is the lock screen, and then here is the home screen. So for the home screen, I did decide to do other little characters, and I found this one right here, so cute. So we do have cinema roll at the top, my melody, and then some more characters towards the bottom. And I feel like this one goes really well because there's pops of blue and there's pink, of course. And I'm going to apply these wallpapers. So here is the home screen. So I feel like this wallpaper definitely goes well with this theme. It looks super cute, very clean, but I feel like this wallpaper just kind of brings it all together. And then the lock screen is right here. Look at cinema roll, looking at the time, the date. I feel like that little square up at the top is really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super cute, simple phone theme and free wallpapers. I hope you guys got some ideas, some inspiration. I will be doing more phone themes and sharing more wallpapers with you guys, as well as showing you guys my phone update because it's been a while. And I feel like I'm back on the groove, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my video very soon.